ankles, so I can't tell if you can see me or not. Can you see me?
Welcome back to my channel, everyone. Today, as you can tell from the title of my video, we're gonna make Felix's cookies. So I made Felix's brownies before, so the link will be like somewhere on my face. Making cookies with friends. They don't want to come in. Why are you? First things first. Let's list our ingredients. We have butter, baking powder, chocolate chips, dark brown sugar, flour, bread flour. This was the smallest bag. Actually, no, this was the only bag that they had. Vanilla, coffee, 2 eggs. I think that's it. Not gonna follow directions because it's easy. Cookies are easy. We got sugar back there. So let's mark that too. First things first. Preheat oven at 350 degrees. I don't know how to work your oven.
You said 350?
I'll also leave his ingredient list somewhere here and also at the link down below. Half a cup of butter. Yes. Half a cup of butter. So this whole thing. This whole thing of butter. If it does, I'll put subtitles.
You made this before?
No.
Do you know what they're supposed to taste like?
No. We're all guinea pigs.
Sorry, Felix.
2/3 cup of flour.
Flour, 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 flour.
1 cup of flour.
Do you bake a lot?
Yes, I used to bake a lot.
What's your best recipe?
My banana bread. Used to make a whole bunch because I was trying to perfect it. Once I start something, I make it a lot because I want to perfect it. And also my stuffed Nutella cookies.
Oh, that sounds good.
Those are so.
These are good.
I feel like I've tried them.
I think I made you some before.
Yeah, I think it was delicious.
What about me?
My oven broke. 2 teaspoons of baking powder.
A lot of salt, Felix.
Is it raining?
Is it raining?
No, I'm not gonna put all of the salt because that's a lot of salt. 1 cup of brown sugar. That's a lot of brown sugar. Everyone's go-to Christmas movie.
Go-to Christmas movie?
Mm-hmm.
Mine was Annie, but I don't watch it anymore.
Oh, really?
Annie. I don't go on my way to watch one, but we watch Jingle Bell on Christmas.
Oh, really?
Is it Jingle Bell or Jingle All the Way? All the way. All like the Terminator.
What's yours, Layla?
Oh, mine is probably Home Alone or The Grinch. Butter. It's still hot. Gonna put in the vanilla extract.
Vanilla.
Oh, I should do that.
Oh wait, I didn't have the coffee. 1 teaspoon.
Yeah. For sure.
It's gonna
Working
eyeball.
Friday. Friday? Yeah.
Does that look like a teaspoon?
You just
I know, but I used it for the vanilla already. Rinse it. Oh. 1 egg. 1 full egg. Can I have a whisk?
No.
you want a whisk or a mixer?
Egg yolk. It's gonna cook. They won't separate though.
Do the egg method.
There you go.
Good job.
1.
Oh my gosh, I didn't know I was on video.
And then we mix. Mix are wet. Mix are dry. Maybe the hot butter was a good idea.
Why?
So that it will melt some of the ingredient. Yeah, the powder. Oh. Okay, we're gonna add more butter because it's very dry.
Cho hốt thì chắc ăn rồi. Mình hát hốt chưa? Ít ăn rồi.
Canon.
Mềm đây.
Cookies.
Cookie. chocolate chips. We choose half the bag in case the other bag, in case this batch doesn't come out right. Yeah, we're done.
We're done with the dough.
Yeah, we're done with the dough. Wait, like these?
Like multiple batches now.
Ta-da! Oh wow, my battery's gonna die. Enter the oven! Enter the oven! Enter the oven! How they shall bake for 10 minutes. Or maybe longer. I'm pretty sure longer. Sorry, Felix, but I don't think 10 minutes is long enough for cookies. My camera focus. Boom. Wow. They don't look bad. Not bad. Just letting them rest for 10 minutes. And then we'll do a taste test. Wow. Oh, my cinematography skills. If I got a cookie.
It's the highlight of the video.
Yeah.
Smells good though.
Mhm.
Smells really good.
Smells like a regular cookie.
Cheers.
Can we eat it now?
Uh-huh. I like blocking.
Oh, you could definitely finish the coffee.
Mm.
That's good.
It's, what's the word? Chewy. It definitely tastes coffee.
That's like subtle.
Hmm?
That's like subtle.
Mm-hmm. The chocolate's melting on me. Do you guys say this is a success?
Mm-hmm.
Mm-hmm.
I wonder if it would taste differently though if we melted
the coffee?
or used the other coffee.
You get to the middle, it's like so like, I don't know. Like it's dense. There you go. That's the word. What's your rate this cookie? Out of 5.
Oh, 5? Probably a 4.
4.
Yeah.
4 Felix's heads. You guys should definitely make it.
It's not too sweet either.
Mm-hmm.
But the thing is, I don't know if we did it right.
That's true, because even it's been a while since I watched that vlog when he made the cookies. End the video here. If you enjoyed it, like, subscribe. That's what you guys should comment down. Comment down below if you guys are going to the StrayKids concert in LA. You guys see me there? Say hi. Yeah. Thank you for watching. Bye.
And corner number 2, we have Linda something. Whenever she is ready, she will make the attempt for the world. Please keep it PG, man. PG. Yeah. Whenever she
Any moment now. I can't whistle.
I think it's a point 2.